Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Neeraj Niftywala, and today I have come up with a video with my view on Nifty. So the title reads that can there be a Nifty crash? So this does not mean that I am saying that Nifty will crash. I'm just saying, can there be a Nifty crash? Because Nifty is showing its movement in a way that there are two-sided possibilities which are emerging. So understanding that requires you to first know that, okay, what are the key levels and some patterns which are there in Nifty which are being formed. So we look at the key levels first, then we'll try to see if there is a identifiable pattern, and then we'll try to see if there are possible dates. Now remember, I am not a SEBI certified or a registered analyst or anything of that sort. I am a pure trader who has been doing the trading on his own money for many years now. It's been since 1995 96 I started my journey in trading Nifty, and I have got a lot of observations purely out of my own experience, and I'm sharing whatever I'm sharing over here is on the chart levels. It has not got anything to do with any astrological information or any news flow information or any internal knowledge that I have. Nothing of that sort. All I have is my own experience, which I have gathered over the years, basis which I keep making videos like these on my channel. So before we go ahead, I request you to please hit like on this video and subscribe to my channel if you have still not done so. Let's proceed. So looking at this chart, I have got some key levels to be explained and identified over here. So till last week, we had seen that because of the Adani news, Nifty could not sustain its uptrend, and it started crashing from 25th January onwards. And we saw that it came till the level of 17,500 and took a support over there. So it kind of created a zigzag kind of, it was like, falling on one or 2 days and then again taking support, again fell another day, again took 2 days support. That is what we saw. Now, this has been the situation last week, and I am also looking at the levels over here and trying to explain something. Now, if you see this July low, July 2021 low, which was 15,513, after that it went all the way up and made a top on 19th of October 2021, which is 18,604. Now, if you look at that, there has been a zigzag kind of a pattern which is formed. Now, this July low got broken on the downside by a year's time, almost 11 months. And 15,183 was a fresh low. So this tells me that this entire bull run which was there got eaten up in a year's time. This is the first observation that I have. So all the shares which are flying over here got slowly beaten down, and even there was this Russia-Ukraine war, because of which the sentiment and overall geopolitical tension which were getting mounted, and currency, US inflation news, and a variety of news flow which was creating all these kind of movements. Now, from 17 June 2022 onwards, I have seen that, okay, there has been a resumption of the uptrend, and again, there was a fast recovery. So the previous high of, say, 18,604 got breached. So above 18,600 it went and made a fresh top of 18,887 on 1st of December. So this tells me that, okay, whatever bullishness was there, that also got beaten and a fresh high was created. So there are people who have invested freshly from here and made new money over here from June till December in 4 months. This is the fastest bull run of 4 months which is observed. And 4 new levels have emerged. So from bottom to top, if I look at this 15,500 level, which is 15,511, then there is a level over here 16,773, which is a crucial level. Then there is a level above 18,600. There's a level in the middle, which is 18,600, and then there is a top 19,421, which is a possible key Nifty level that can possibly come in the coming days if there is a bullish momentum and a bullish sentiment in the market. Remember, market shows its moves purely basis sentiment and news flow in the short term. However, in the long term, it is purely basis, the technicals and fundamentals. So on a short-term view, yes, you can say that, okay, some news flow comes and it crashes suddenly in a short-term basis. On a good sentiment or ongoing good sentiment, which is going on for like 10-15 days, it can go in a certain direction and continue to go in that direction for many days. So that is how market has been behaving in the past 1.5 years that we have seen. Today we are sitting in the month of February 2023, and after looking at these 4 key levels, I would like to share my next screen in which I have identified key support levels, key resistance levels, key observations with some possible dates, and what is a possibility that can be seen if we see certain level breach. So I'm making this video on 6th of February 2023, which is an update on Nifty, and there are the observations which I have. But before we go any further, request you to please subscribe to my channel, Neeraj Nifty Wala, and please hit the like button. This doesn't cost you anything to hit the like button, but it really helps someone like me to stay motivated and continue making more videos like these and share my observations with the community at large. And a lot of people who are trading on regular basis and investing on regular basis, my views definitely help them. And if you hit the like button, my video reach increases and goes to more people. So there's a little help you can give me in return for the knowledge which I'm sharing with you. So let's look at the key dates over here. So the first key date that I have observed is that 14 December Nifty broke the uptrend. Now, if you see this uptrend, which was there, which I'm seeing over here on the chart, and this is shown over here from 17 June till 1st of December, there was an uptrend and it broke on 14th of December and started crashing down. So this green line, which was a trend line, got broken over here on a fast mode, and it kind of broke on the downside, and it came all the way till here, which is on the lower end. We saw in the last week it took a support near 17,300 level, and there was 2 days of resumption of the rally, and it has come back to close the week at 17854 level, which happened on the close of the week, which was Friday, 3rd of February. And now I have some important observation over here as to what can happen in the short term. In the short term, if 17925 crosses on the closing basis, remember 17854 is the close. So from 854 to 925 is just another approximate 75-85 points. So 17925 crosses on closing basis and sustains above 18050 for another day, then Nifty will resume the uptrend and again try to test the 18,600 level, which I have explained in my earlier slide. So long above 18,120 is the trading strategy I will adapt. So I will go long above 18120 if it is closing, and I'll go long till 18,300, 18,550, 18,600. This is what I will do as a trader. And then I also have a support which is marked over here, which is 17035. So 17035 is the support where it came, and then the support is not broken in the last week's fall, and it did not even touch here, and it kind of resumed the uptrend. And the resistance is at 18050 from where the fall started. So we are still close to 18050, but not close to 17035. So it is near the upside resistance, which is why I'm saying that in the short term, if 17925 crosses on closing basis, then I'll go long above 18120. I'll let the 18,050 mark get breached on the upside on closing basis, and then I'll take fresh long positions, of course, till 18,300, 550 till 600. That is what my strategy will be if I want to go long. However, if I see that, okay, these lower levels are coming again, and I see that 17035, which is a support line that I have identified over here, this red color line, it is breached on the downside, then I will see that, okay, I can take fresh short positions. Please remember, there are certain dates which I have observed, and these are my observations over the years. So I am mentioning that by 10th Feb, 17,100 on Nifty can possibly come. That is one possibility. Second possibility I see is that there could be, like, you see this trend, which you have seen an uptrend and then an uptrend. A major trend forming or trend changing can possibly happen on 17th Feb. So from 17th Feb onwards, you can see some kind of a trend emerge in the market. Then another trend I see, basis my calculations and observations, 26th of April is a major trend reversal. So whatever trend forms on 17th Feb will get reversed by 26th of April. These are the two dates that you need to keep in mind. And then this is another date, that's so 10th Feb, 17th Feb, and then 26th of April. These are the three dates that you need to note down and keep in mind, or you can watch my video again and you will get an idea. Now, what if these upside levels do not come and we see the lower side breach? So I have this observation that if it closes below 17,000, the fall would definitely happen. Now, what will happen is that if it falls below the 17,000 mark on a closing basis, and the support is also gone 17,035, what will happen? So you will see these lower side levels come. 16,750, below that 16,600 is a support. If that is broken, 16,080. If that is broken, you will see 16,000. Below that there is a support of 15,730, and the lowest possible level I can see is 14,180. These are the levels that I see that can happen in the coming days if the Nifty is not able to sustain itself and starts breaking the 17035 level. So you will see that there could be a formation of a downtrend like this. So this uptrend which we saw like this, that could result into a downtrend and come over here and again break this 17th June 2022 low and make a fresh low of 14180. Remember, this has been an observed behavior of Nifty in the past 1.5 years, that what it does is it breaks the earlier high, then it breaks the earlier low, then it again breaks the earlier high. It can break the earlier low as well. This is the theory which I am kind of explaining over here. And this is purely out of the observation of how Nifty is behaving. It is trapping bulls and bears on both sides. People are not able to make money in the long term. It's a trader's market. In the short term, Nifty is continuously changing because the news flow and because of the sentiment keeps changing the entire view of the market on a regular basis. Some support breaks and then it goes to a lower support. Some resistance breaks and it goes to the upside. This is how the Nifty has been behaving. So I would request you to please hit the like button if you have liked this observation that I have shared with you. Please subscribe to my channel if you have still not done so, and please do share this video among your fellow traders and investors. This does help people in taking informed trading decisions. And thank you so much for your time. This is Neeraj Nifty Wala, and let's see how the Nifty pans out. Thank you.